In this video, we're going to be talking about a new feature they've added in CapCut called Auto Captions. Now, what I have done is I've just opened up a project that I had done a couple days ago, a little short video I did. It's only like a little over a minute long. I wanted to do that way it wouldn't take so long to add these captions, hopefully. And I have it in my editor here, so now I'm going to come over here on the left side, and according to what I just saw in my mobile device, if you do this, download a project, you have to come back online. So I'm on the web browser, so keep that in mind. Come over to where it says Captions and just hit Auto and Generate right under it. Choose the language, and we want to be English. Hit Generate, and as you see, it's taking you through the process there, and hopefully when it gets done, it just takes a couple minutes, and I'll hit the play button here and we'll see what it looks like. It's going to be on the screen too. So we're going to be looking at these. I was trying to hit the volume is what I was after, and didn't end up getting it. The volume is over here. Where is the volume on this thing? We'll just do it the old-fashioned way. I don't want to have to take the time to dig it out every time I go to a different. And you can see right here as I speak, you can see it on the screen. And over here on the left side of the screen, you see, is what it's telling each sentence it's reading as you go through. And is if it's got something wrong or something in there you don't want, you can just hit the delete button and edit it right here. Just double click and it'll put you right in there, and you can take something out. See, I just hit the back key right there and hit deleted the word anyway, and just hit it, type it back in and hit enter, and you're off and running again. But guys, this is a cool way to do it. And as you can see right here, all these little orange dots down here, those are your auto captions that's been put in there. So that's another location for them. So guys, I hope this helps out. Let me know what you think. Don't forget now, if you need help, hit me up. I'm right here to help you. Thanks for watching.